Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add sharp, attention-grabbing icons to buttons in WordPress block themes, and you won't need any plugins at all. By the end of this tutorial, your buttons will stand out with custom SVG or PNG icons, and you'll have learned a quick native method that saves time and keeps your site lightweight. Ready? Let's jump right in. First, let's start by adding a button to your page or post using the WordPress block editor. If you're working on a landing page, maybe inviting users to get started or download now, just insert a buttons block wherever you want it. Click to add a new block, search for buttons, and type your desired label. It could be Contact Us or Learn More, whatever suits your content. Buttons are a key part of guiding your visitors, so getting their design just right helps improve the user experience. Now here comes the magic where you insert an icon into the button itself. Click inside the button text right where you want the icon to appear. Maybe you want it at the start, like a paper plane icon before send, or at the end, such as a little arrow after Learn More. Pay attention to the placement, because a well-placed icon can highlight context or add a visual cue that draws the eye. Next, let's use the inline image feature. This is built into WordPress, so no extra plugins are needed. Above the button text, you'll see a formatting toolbar pop up. Look for the More option, which appears as a small down arrow. Click that and you'll see Inline Image in the drop-down menu. This option lets you embed an image or icon right inside your text so it flows perfectly with your label. Click Inline Image and you'll be prompted to select your icon. Here, where your own creativity comes in. You can upload a small SVG or PNG file directly from your media library. SVGs are great because they look crisp at any size and keep your site speedy. For example, maybe you've downloaded a free shopping cart icon and want to add it to your Add to Cart button. Just upload the file or pick one you already have in your media library. After the icon appears in your button, you might notice it's a bit too big or small for your text. Don't worry, adjusting the size is very simple. Click directly on the inserted icon and a width setting will appear. I recommend setting the width somewhere between 20 pixels and 30 pixels, which usually matches the font size and keeps everything balanced visually. If you're unsure, try different sizes and preview your changes. You want the icon to be clear and noticeable, but not overwhelming or distracting. This whole process might take a few moments, especially if you're experimenting with different icons or placements, so take your time. If the image doesn't look quite right on your first try, remember that you can always undo or swap it for another. Think of it like arranging ingredients on a plate. You want everything to look harmonious, and that's it. You've added an icon inside a button with no plugins, just using WordPress's native block tools. These small touches can boost your site's professionalism and make important actions stand out. So go ahead and customize your call to action buttons, your contact forms, or your navigation, wherever visual cues can give your visitors a little nudge in the right direction. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below with any questions or tips of your own. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress guides and practical web tips. See you in the next tutorial.